Hey guys, I'm out here at one of our events. It's a night event. We're out here at in the Old Fourth District in the Atlanta area at the King of Pops headquarters. Just out here selling some candles, soaps, body butters. My daughter usually does, and wax melts. She usually has bath bombs too, but we didn't bring them today. And our tent broke on us. But yeah, our tent broke on us, so we don't have a tent up. But while we were setting up, I saw this. I just saw all these bees just hovering, gathering around in this area. It was beautiful. The train went by. It's not as many bees right now, but I mean, this was covered with a bunch of bees. And, I was hoping to get a video of how many bees were actually covering this area, but I wasn't able to. I was marketing our business for the night and just doing some other things related to marketing my daughter's business. And just doing some other stuff related to the business. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys all the bees. But it's a little disappointing now to see. Just a few here and there. Like this whole bush, it had at least, I don't know, like this area right in here had like 40 bees. And I don't know, I get excited when I see stuff like that. You know, I'm a gardener, so I love our pollinators. I'm trying to capture that one over there. It's so pretty and it's so beautiful. It's so lovely. And they're so little, but they just do so much for us, providing food for us. Let's see, is there any more? I don't see any more. There's a bunch on the other bush, but there's other vendors over there, so I'm not gonna go into their space. Oh, there's one that came back to visit. But yeah, I just wanted to stop in and show you guys a little footage of the bees, but like I said, it's not as exciting because it's just 3 or 4 here and there. But earlier it was like I said, it was like 40 something in this one little spot. But okay guys, I'm going to go on and go back to our table, which is just like 10 steps away. Just 10 steps away. But which is a good night, sales night. And I hope you guys have a good night, good evening too. All right, I will talk to you guys later. A bientôt.